Hello everyone, my name is Ajinkya Kiran Khairnar. I am excited to share my career journey with you from intern to infra and cloud administrator. My story is one of growing learning and passion for technology. My journey started with Evision, began with an Evision internship program where I gained hands-on experience in IT-related technologies, issues, and how the IT structure is working, about technical skills, troubleshooting steps, and after that internship is not only as a on my technical skill but also taught me the importance of teamwork and problem solving. In grateful for the opportunity to learn from experienced professionals and apply my knowledge in a real world scenario. After that, I completed my internship. I was selected as a global support engineer in a Birlasoft. Over the next 8 months, I worked with a talented team to resolve the complex technical issues and deliver the exponential support to the client worldwide. The roles helped me to develop a strong communication skills, attention to the details, and ability to work under the pressures. Uh, so following after completions after following my following my stint in Birlasoft, I looked on the role of server administrator where I spent the last 3 years, meaning of managing and maintaining the servers infrastructures in Forest Loans Energy Private Limited. In the roles, I have developed expertise in server administrators, cloud technology, and cybersecurity. Also, I have had an opportunity to learn new skills, stay up to date with the latest industry trends. So I am thrilled to share that I have recently been selected as an infra and cloud administrator at Inspira. These new roles represent a significant milestones in my career, and I am excited to leverage my skills and experience to drive innovations and excellence in cloud infrastructure management. I am looking forward to the new challenges and opportunities these bring for the growth and learning. Thank you.